In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add email sender name in Teachable. If you run courses on Teachable, the name that appears in the from line of your emails plays a big role in trust and open rates. Setting a clear, recognizable sender name helps students immediately know the message is from your school, not a random address. Today, I'll walk you through exactly where to find this setting and how to choose a professional, brand-aligned name. First, sign into your Teachable admin dashboard. Make sure you're using an account with the right permissions to adjust settings. If you manage more than one school, double-check that you're inside the correct school before moving on. This keeps your branding consistent and prevents accidental changes to another site. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Settings. This is your control center for how your school looks, feels, and communicates. Don't worry, we're only changing one simple field and you can update it again anytime. Inside Settings, select the General tab. The General area houses global information about your school and its identity. This is where Teachable expects you to define how your brand appears across the platform, including the name students see when they receive automated emails like enrollment confirmations, receipts, and course notifications. Now locate the email sender name field. This is the display name your recipients will see in their inbox. Enter the name you want to represent your school. Aim for something that's instantly recognizable and consistent with your site's branding. Often your school name or brand name works best. Keep it short, readable, and professional. Avoid using all caps or excessive punctuation, and make sure the capitalization matches how you present your brand elsewhere. If it helps your students, you can include a simple descriptor like support or team after your brand name, as long as it remains clear and concise. Once you've entered your desired name, you're set. Going forward, Teachable will use that display name on outgoing system messages. Keep in mind this setting changes the visible name in the inbox, not the underlying sending address. It's designed to improve recognition and trust without altering your email routing. Changes typically apply to future emails and won't retroactively change messages already sent. That's all you need to make your Teachable emails look polished and on-brand. A thoughtful sender name helps your messages stand out, reduces confusion, and creates a consistent experience for your students every time they check their inbox.